Hey everybody, and welcome back to a pretty special video. It's pretty special because I've been waiting for this for a while and it's finally available, and that is the membership program for my channel. Now, before I get into what that means, if you decide not to become a member, nothing will change for you, right? So everything will be as before. You will still get my videos. Everything as of today will be exactly the same for you, right? So don't worry about that. However, if you do decide to become a member and you support my channel, you'll get perks, right? So I created 4 different levels of a membership because that's what you guys asked me to do. And I'll explain to you what they are. Here we go. Okay, so the first membership level is called the My Friend level. If you become my friend, then you will get priority Q&A, right? Basically what that means is if you leave a comment or a question underneath one of my videos, you will be treated with priority when it comes to replying, right? Okay guys, well, membership level number 2 is called the My Buddy level, right? Now, if you become my buddy, there are a couple of perks for you. Obviously, the perk that you got when you became the entry level, so the My Friend level. But in addition, what you get is you get access to early videos, if and when applicable. You get a priority when you have tutorial requests, and you get access to live streams. And so far, that has only been available to patrons. If you become a buddy level member, then you get that as well. Okay, so membership level number 3, it's called the My Hero level. Now, if you become my hero, you will have your name listed in the description area of every new video I create, right? And that's just to give 2 thumbs up to you for being my hero. Okay, so membership level number 4, and this is a special one, and I created this per your request, and it's called the Pro level. Now, if you have that level, you get all of the perks that I mentioned before, of course, but in addition, you get priority Q&A per email. I'll give you my email address. If you have any questions, you can send an email directly to me and I'll answer it, right? And in addition, you get a mention in the description channel as before, but in this case, you get a mention with a web link to your portfolio, your business, your game studio or whatnot, including your business name, right? Very cool way to get some promotion for your business and to get word out to well over 100,000 people. Okay guys, well that's basically it. Like I said, I've been waiting for this for a long time because you guys asked me for this for a long time, and hopefully that will meet your needs, and it would mean the world to me if you decided to become a member. And again, like I said, if not, we're all good. We're gonna go forward as I always have, and you'll be able to see my videos for free as before, right? Thanks.